Hello everybody, today I'm going to explain you how you can create a convenient way to create a multi-store in Magento. What I'm going to demo, I have here locally on my Mac, I have a store running on www.magento.tutorial.local. In addition, I have in my host file, I have defined actually two entries. Here I have this is the URL of my second website, and in additionally I have Apache I'm running MEMP, by the way. Extra HTTP vhost. Yeah, sorry, I'm a Fin fanatic. So here I have two, well, actually two virtual host definitions, and the second one is pointing to the same directory actually. And what we are going to do today is we want to have two domains, so the Magento tutorial.local and my second website.local. We want to point them actually to the same Magento installation, but yeah, well, we would like to make some distinction in both websites. Okay, so let's go to my second site, and as you can see, it will go back to my default domain again. So what are the steps? First of all, log into your admin. Sometimes it might take a little bit slow, but all right. Okay, there. What we are going to do is first we are going to create the structure. So system manage stores, and as you can see by default, it already has some store views created for localization purposes. And, but okay, every Magento installation consists of several websites, and every website can have should have a store, and every store has at least one store view, and those store views are primarily used in order to set up multilingual websites or so. Okay, so I'm going to create a new website. I call it my second website. You may you can put here whatever you find convenient. The code is very important, I will tell you. This will be used in the next step. Okay, my website has been created. Let's create the store. Okay, so just root catalog. And finally I will create just one store view. I say English. My second website en. I will enable it, sort order, save store view. Okay, so I have created my the structures of my website. And for instance, if I in my second web store want to offer the Swedish language, Swedish version of my website, I just create within the same website store name. I will just create another store view. But okay, for now we are not going to do that. Now I'm going to configuration. I switch here to my please be sure you select the website. So I'm selecting now my second website, and here I can say, well, I can say the default country is the UK, and here I'm allowed to override the default values. So okay, I say my second store, never mind, I save. Now very important, okay, is this part. Here I have to override the default domain. So what I'm going to do is my second website. I'm placing my second website. Okay. Okay, let's see if it will work. So at this point I have configured a second website in Magento, and I created a store and a store view for my second website, and that store view name is my second website en. So let's see if I'm allowed to, and as you may have expected, it doesn't show anything. So the last thing we have to do is to change our htaccess file, which lives in the root of Magento. Is actually say hey, if the domain is my second website .local, then load store view my second website en. How we're going to do that? We create in a file called htaccess, which is in the root of your Magento directory, and we just right after the rewrite engine on, we write out host And what I want to do is I want to match all stuff in front of and let's say my second website dot local. And when the requested website ends with that, I will place I say load my second website in. So, and now yeah, and as you can see, it has it worked. This is my this is the store view assigned to this website, and there are now actually two websites, but hosted under one Magento installation. Well, hopefully you find it useful, and see you next time. Bye.